Here it is.
Blueberry buckle, right?
Blueberry buckle. Is it cakey?
A little bit cakey
It
there.
looks a little doughy.
Yeah, at the bottom, only a little bit of a little extra
Quite blueberry-ish.
blueberry on top.
Hot. A little soupy, because we added more blueberries.
Use the ladle for that section.
Oh boy.
Oh, yep.
Oh man.
And then
You can pop some of that on there.
whip.
No, these people need to know that the blueberries go up to $4 on your video. Take this out.
Oh, that's thick. Cool.
Oh, ooh.
Whoa. That was kind of exciting there.
Oh. I think that's probably
That's
enough.
probably plenty right there.
Alright, you got your spoon?
I'll just eat with this one then.
Yeah.
The sample. It'll be really hot and I burn myself.
Oh, I bet it is. Ow, ow. Hot? No?
That's pretty good.
How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, not too doughy.
Not too doughy?
Not too doughy.
Yeah.
Maybe a little doughy.
Well, I want some.